fossil.
I will.
I want to be able to hold it up and say my daddy tames the dinosaurs.
We a big company. Millions of moving parts.
Hey, how you doing, man?
We all work very hard to ensure those moving parts are functioning as a means to very profitable end for all of us.
Have it smoke?
Hey, come close to the computer. Give me those eyes.
No!
That is a genuine dinosaur tooth.
She's gonna flip out. You're a good man, Mike. Is there someone at your door?
Are you seeing this?
Mike, what is that? Is everything okay?
We gotta go right now! I'll call you back,
When the walls caving in, the world stops.
Hey!
Hear the voice.
Mayday, Mayday! This is Deepwater Horizon.
What's wrong?
Me towards the rocks.
Not Mildred.
You gotta get to the lifeboat, right? My wife's name is Felicia.
Don't put my daughter's